Good evening, everyone. This is Vinod again, and in today's Excel Snippet YouTube channel, video series number 2.2. It is a request of one of my student, one of my subscriber, who request me to add some product function in our video series, and this is for you, Mr. Hemant. I'm adding this video, and it's not going to be a very big video. It's going to be a very small video, so bear with me. When it comes to some product functionality, some product is a little complicated formula compared to other data. So when you are having a some product formula, it is an array function. So normally what we do in a Excel functionalities, we will be having a data like this, maybe the product name, the quantity that I sold, the rate at which I sold it. We will be having one more column in here called amount, and we will do a calculation normally like this, and then we will sum them out. This is what we generally do in a normal calculation. Instead of adding this column, I can just add them as a total in here without creating this extra column. That is what some product can do for us, and I'm going to just use some product here. Then it's an array function, so I'm going to take the first array, then I'm going to give a comma, and I'm going to take the second array, and when I close the bracket and give an enter, you can see the same answer pops up even in that list. This is what generally we use some product for, and again in the data analytical logics and all, we call the sum product as, especially in Power BI desktop, we call this as sum X functionality. So let's move on from a very basic sum product to the second level of products where we can deal the sum product like we do work with sum if function. So for example, I have a list of data here. I want to find out what the sales totally made with Moto Razor, and I can do that. I'm going to use the sum if function generally. So the range is going to be this, and the criteria will be on top, and my sum range is going to be this. So this is what we do in a sum if function. I can achieve the same even in a sum product function. So what I can do is I'm going to just say sum product, and I'm going to just select, then give one more bracket in here. Just select the first column completely, and then say if this is equals to the razor, close the bracket, add a multiplication symbol in here, and then select the whole column for us, and close the bracket, give an enter. You can see that the same answer pops up here. So whatever I got in the sum if functionality for a list, so I got the same function using sum product. Again, if I change this, the entire data is going to change for me. So as I have a drop down list here, so I can create a sum product functionality to do so, and I can even do a sum ifs function using a sum product function. So I'm going to just say sum ifs, and I can see the sum range comes into place. So I'm going to select the first logic, comma, then the second logic is my region, comma, then select that list, comma, then my product, comma, then I'm going to select that, close the bracket and give an enter. So now I get this answer for sum ifs. If I want to do the same in a sum product, again, I'll be a little careful here. So I'm going to use sum product, open a bracket here first, select the array, that is, I'm going to say the whole region layer here. I'm going to say equals this, and close the bracket. Then add a multiplication symbol, then add the next logic. This is a little cumbersome compared to our earlier part, so that's why I prefer sum if or sum ifs compared to sum product functionality. But again, sum product functionality can do what a sum if function is capable of. So I'm just trying to do all of them in here, close the bracket and give an enter. You can see the same answer pops up. So you can see the answer using a sum product functionality is also there for you in the formula text, and you can see that happens for the sum if functions too. I can do a sum if function. Sum if functions is easier to words as we are easy and familiar, and but some product has to have some more additional column. It is like my previous video. So I just created an Excel user video where I compare the nested if condition. Likewise, when I use some product and some if condition, some if is little easier compared to some product conditions. These are the three scenarios I can use some product functionality. Thanks a lot for commenting, and thanks a lot for our request. And Mr. Hemant, here we go. You got your some product functions basic ideology. I will give you a bigger video in this, as this is a series where I'm giving a video under 5 or near 5 minutes video. So let me stop with this, and I'll give you some product video, a very big video sooner you can expect from me. Hope you learn a new formula, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel, and please share it to many people possible, and make them all use these opportunities to learn for free. Stay safe, stay at home. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, your YouTube channel.